Yes guys, I know you're probably bored of seeing the same old Air Forces every week now, but I've got a little surprise for you. Nah, I know the Dior Jordans are hot on trending right now, but I was mad slow to jump on the bandwagon. And unfortunately 15 grand is just slightly outside of my budget. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna paint some Cajun Custom style. Alright, let's go. Oops, by the way, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment and share. I am also selling majority of the customs in these videos to help support the channel. So if you are interested, hit me up on Instagram, because the way things are going right now, I've got like 20 shoes but no food in the fridge. Oops. Okay, too much talking, back to the video. The much hyped Jordan Dior 1 actually came out quite fire, but the color matching was long, so do ignore the soles because I know they come out hella bright. But if any of you have got the real ones, let me know if they compare, because I'm slightly thinking of listing them on eBay for 2 grand. Just kidding.